I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I would be wrong, but I feel like...
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting video for you guys. I'm going to show you guys my lazy Sunday morning routine. Sunday mornings when I'm not working are like so peaceful and relaxing to me. I can just kick back, spend some time, pamper myself a little bit, and just relax. So I'm just going to show you guys what a typical morning looks like for me when I'm not working and waking up at the crack of dawn. So let's just get right into the video. So, rise and shine. On a Sunday, I try not to wake up too early. I wake up when my body wakes me up and I just scroll on my social media, talk to you guys, respond to comments, you know, the usual. Check through all your social media and look at everybody's stuff from the night before routine. Then eventually I'll turn on my TV, watch some Netflix, some YouTube, I don't know, flip through some channels on the cable, and go back and forth between the TV and my phone, just relaxing until I get the energy to get up out of my bed and make my bed before I go shower. During the week, I normally don't make my bed in the morning just because I have to be to work at 7 o'clock. So on the weekends, I do try to make my bed as soon as I wake up, straighten up, you know, and not leave my room looking all messy. So I just straighten up my sheets. So I finally found some energy to get out of the bed. I'm just going to clip my hair back because it is looking crazy from sleeping on it last night. So I clip it out of the way and just go ahead and brush my teeth. So I'm just brushing my teeth like normal, but I did want to mention to make sure you brush your tongue. Your tongue is a breeding ground for bacteria and stank breath, aka halitosis. So make sure you brush that tongue and brush it real good so that you don't have no stank breath lingering around, okay? Next, I do my normal skincare routine. I already have a video up on this on my channel, so go ahead and watch that if you haven't already. I'm just going to wash my face, do my usual. Alrighty, so after my face is clean, I go ahead and use my Melanin Miracles Vitamin Serum. I have already reviewed this on my channel, so I will have that also linked in the description box below. I love this serum. It works as a really great moisturizer and it makes my skin feel really smooth and soft but not oily. Time to do something with this hair, y'all. I've been looking raggedy for this whole video, so I'm just going to throw some curls in this wig. This is my Hairvivi Eva Longoria inspired wig. I will have all the information about this hair listed in the description box below. I have multiple reviews about this wig on my channel. I've been wearing it for over a year now, and it's one of my favorites. The color is really flattering on my skin. So I'm just using a 1-inch curling wand and going and throwing some curls in the hair. This literally takes me like maybe 15 to 20 minutes. I have learned how to curl my hair super fast now. All those days of curling my hair for cheerleading games have really paid off. Once I'm done curling, I like to spray some oil in the hair just to give it some nice sheen, and as you guys can tell, this hair curls beautifully. I'm just going to fast forward to when both sides of this is done. Let's just do a little spin, and there we go. I'm all ready for the day. My hair looks so good, y'all. Like, come on now. This is a lazy Sunday, so I'm not putting on any makeup. It's time to pick my outfit. Now, I have 2 closets. This is just one of them. I never know what to wear. I always struggle picking outfits. But today, I ended up going with this top from the Target Wild Fable collection. And you guys will see how I paired it with the jean jacket and the pants. But I already have a review up on my channel about this collection, and I have a nice little try on haul for you guys to check out, so I'll have that linked in the description box as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this outfit on for you guys. Once my outfit is picked, I normally just sit around again, scroll on my social media. I'll probably check Twitter, I'll post a couple Snapchats, I'll post to my Insta story, you know, keep you guys updated. Even on my days off, I'm still working, so normally I will film on my lazy days and I'll end up editing a video. So I'm just editing a video here on my chair. At this point, I'm normally like, wow, sis, you have gone this whole morning and you haven't eaten anything. So I go in the kitchen, you'll see me here. I'm probably gonna like steal a grape out of the fridge, grab a cup of water. I'm not really a breakfast person, but sometimes I do like to have a little breakfast. I'm just cooking one of those little sausage patties here on the stove, and I'm gonna put some pancakes with it, and you guys will see. And I know you guys are probably like, girl, why are you eating those frozen pancakes when you could have just made fresh pancakes? Listen, I normally work at 7 a.m. I don't have time really to make food and pack it for the next day, etc. So these frozen things just make my life so much easier. I know they're not the best for you, but it is what it is. Alrighty, so now it's afternoon time. I normally have a cup of tea or hot chocolate. My mornings normally end just like this on my couch relaxing. Alrighty, so that's my morning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I tried to make the editing a little bit more, you know, change up my scenery a little bit, you know, get some different angles, show you guys some different areas of my house, because I feel like I only record in my room. But I'm changing it up, so I hope you guys appreciate it. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And comment down below if you do any of the things that I do on your lazy Sunday mornings, because I know y'all are lazy too. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified when I upload my next video. I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye.